How to stop Viber from automatically downloading photos or videos. Open the Viber application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Settings. You'll be able to access the settings. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option Media that you can see at 5th. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the options related with the medias. At 4th, you'll be able to find the option for auto-download media over mobile network. Uncheck this option. Likewise, uncheck the option for auto-download media when connected to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, the photos, videos and GIFs will not be automatically downloaded. Like this, you can stop Viber from automatically downloading photos or videos. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.